We've got a Lego man, and we're gonna firecracker this bitch. You can do it like that.
Just gonna do one.
Do one. Okay.
You ready?
Yeah. Go. Oh! No, man, I'm not getting close to it. Go, go, go. Ah! Oh! Lego man. Oh, is that pieces of him?
Come over here.
I thought I saw him jump. Oh, come on. We couldn't have, like... Man, it looks like there's shards of it, like plastic.
Over here.
I think your Lego man just went to the fucking moon. Where was it? Dude, it looks like fucking... See? That's plastic melted! Yeah!
The tape.
Oh, is it?
The tape, yeah. So the Lego man's still intact somewhere.
No, I'm
Wait,
pretty...
wait. Firecracker, when you go